Good day, this is DJ and I'll be teaching you integration by parts in Filipino. So we start with our given, the integral of x squared over square root of 1 minus x. So napapansin po ninyo, ang ating denominator is naka-radical. So unang-unang gagawin, i-equate po natin ang ating integral into x dx over square root of 1 minus x. Itong x squared po natin, hiniwalay po natin xx. And yung dx po natin, ginawa po nating numerator over the square root of 1 minus x. Gamit ito, magkakaroon na po tayo ng representation. So we now have let u equal to x and our du is equal to dx. Nagamit na po natin yung x, ang natitira itong fraction. So yan na po yung ating dv. X dx over square root of 1 minus x. Rules of exponent po. So, magiging x times 1 minus x raised to negative 1 half dx. So, ang ating b magiging negative 2x 1 minus x 1 over 2. So, balik po tayo sa ating original na given. So, we have the integral of x squared over square root of 1 minus x dx. So, yung theorem po ng integration by parts, UB minus the integral of V du. So, yun po yung gagawin natin dito. So, we now have x times negative 2x 1 minus x raised to 1 half minus the integral of negative 2x times 1 minus x raised to 1 half dx. Next, isi-simplify na lang po natin. So, we have distributive property magiging negative 2x squared times 1 minus x raised to 1 half. Negative magiging positive integral of 2x times 1 minus x raised to 1 half dx. Next, gamit po ito, magkakaroon po tayo ng ikalawa nating representations. So, we now have u prime equal to x. Ito po yun. Next, ang ating du prime is equal to dx. So, yung natitira na lang po is 2, ito, at saka ito. So, yan na po yung dv prime natin. 2 times 1 minus x raised to 1 half dx. So, ang ating v prime will be equal to negative 4/3 1 minus x raised to 3 halves. Theorem po ng ating integration by parts. So, we now have, stay lang po ito. Ito na po yung gagamitan natin ng theorem. So, we now have negative 2x squared times 1 minus x raised to 1 half plus, ilalabas po natin si 2, magiging constant 2, negative. So, we now have, multiply po natin, negative 4/3 times 1 minus x raised to 3 halves times the integral of, the integral of negative 4/3 1 minus x raised to 3 halves dx, close, then braces. Next, isi-simplify na lang po natin. We now have negative 2x squared times 1 minus x raised to 1 half plus. Dito po, distributive property. So, magiging 8/3, negative 8/3. Pwede na po nating burahin si positive. So, may have negative 8/3 times 1 minus x raised to 3 halves. Tapos, 2 times negative times negative, that is positive, so magiging plus 8/3 times, kukunin na po natin yung integral, times 1 minus x raised to 5 halves over 5 halves plus c. Next, isi-simplify ulit. Negative 2x squared, stay na po, 1 minus x raised to 1 half minus 8/3 1 minus x raised to 3 halves plus 8 thirds divided by 5 halves, or 8 thirds times 2 fifths, that is 16 over 15. Then 1 minus x raised to 5 halves plus c. Ito na po yung final solution natin. Thank you for watching.